Sorry, I'm coming in looking raggedy, but I'm here to continue the mask thing. Well, I mean, today I'm gonna review two mask thingies that I had gotten on clearance. This one still has the little price on it, but who cares? So I'm gonna be reviewing this one that says Yes to Grapefruit. It's the Yes to brand, as you can tell, and it's supposed to be good for brightening dull and uneven skin, and to me it looks like I'm dull and uneven. And then I'm also using this, which is called it's called Rose, of course, mask sheet, and underneath it says the most romantic mask sheet ever. I thought that was hilarious. That's why I got this. I actually have two of these, and then another version of these I'm gonna use later. So let's get started. So with this one, it says to apply a generous amount and leave on 5 to 10 minutes to work its brightening magic. So I'm like, okay, that's what it's looking like in the package. So let me put that on. Problem number one, like I thought it was gonna be juicy, but I guess not. So let me get to that. It was on the brink of expiration. So that means I probably shouldn't be using this, but guess what? I'm gonna. Honestly, I don't know how well this is gonna turn out. Like, this is really hard to put on, you guys. Like, look, even as I'm trying to apply more, like, it's just falling off. That lets you know that is very expired. How unhelpful. This is so annoying. I'm only doing 5 minutes, maybe even 4 minutes. Like, look, that's not even remotely sticking to my skin. So it hasn't even been 5 magical minutes and stuff is starting to fall off my face. You know, might as well rinse it off. Maybe something magical happened. Washed that disaster off of my face. I mean, my face does look very nice and shiny, but like, I washed it and that's about it. Use products that are in date, that you know for sure. Because this, I don't know, I was looking at this and I don't really see the use by date anywhere. Like, not anywhere obvious anyways. So yeah, like, just be sure to look for that, okay, when you're buying products. So it says apply each slice to a cleansed and dried face, leave it on for 15 minutes, massage any excess serum into the skin. So super easy, pretty standard. So let me put it on. There's a rose there. And it actually smells like rose, okay? Rose smell. Put one there because that's a tiny one. Oh, let's move it down a little bit. Wow, don't I look so beautiful? Okay, now we're gonna slap it there. Could have put one on my nose, but guess what? We didn't, so. Okay, let's not put that in my hair. How about that? Well, it's still technically in my hair, but. Okay, so the excess serum on this sheet, I'm just gonna blot it on the places where I didn't have a rose at. Beautiful. I'm all rosy and everything. I think this is the most hilarious mask ever. But I was kind of hoping that it would be kind of a connected thing, like a whole entire mask sheet instead of like little pieces. But I guess this is, you know, cute. So we'll sit here for 15 magical minutes. It's been actually like 20 magical minutes. Oops. And here I am taking off my lovely roses and rubbing in the rest of the serum like it said to do. Honestly, this is so cute. I really like this mask. And luckily I have another one of this exact one, and then a slightly different version of this that I will try later. And there we are, nice and beautiful. Yeah, I really like that one. The first one, oh my gosh, I'm so upset about that. But Yeah.
Subscribe.